Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy USDT on Bybit P2P. For that you need to launch your Bybit app and here on the home page select the P2P trading option. Now if you are not able to find the P2P trading option over here, then tap on the more services option first. Then in the services you can search for P2P. Now once you tap on the P2P trading option, you will be landed on this page where you will be able to see this type of pop-up in front of you. So you just have to simply tap on the acknowledge button or the confirm button, and here you can see all of the merchants that are providing you USDT. You can even change the coin, like if you want to buy BTC, then you can even tap on that. But since we want to buy USDT, you need to make sure that USDT option is selected over here. After that you need to just select the merchant, and before selecting the merchant you need to make sure that they are online first. Second thing, that they are giving you the good price, they have completed a lot of trades, and if they are the top pick by Bybit, then it is well and good. So after selecting that type of merchant, you just have to press the buy button right next to their profile. Then you just have to enter the amount and select the payment method that you want to use in order to make the payment. After that you just have to simply complete the payment, and once they transfer you USDT in your Bybit account, you just have to confirm it that you got your USDT. So this way you can purchase USDT on Bybit P2P. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, comments and subscribe to the channel for more this type of crypto related content. Thank you so much for watching.